Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Redmi K20 Pro. I have been waiting for this device since forever and finally it is in the studio. So today let's open up the box and let's see what all do you get inside. First up, you have a sleeve which contains the SIM ejector tool, some paperwork which is always boring, and a hard plastic case which is in black color. I absolutely love this case. It is not like some cheap plastic soft case. It is a hard case which is very premium, and I'm glad that Xiaomi is including this in the box itself. So a big fat thumbs up for that. Now, keeping all these things aside, the next thing inside the box is the handset itself. So I've got it in this carbon black color which looks absolutely stunning. So it has this carbon fiber finish to it which looks really awesome, and it also has red accents all over. So it's the red and black combination and it looks really good. Now, apart from that, you also get a fast charger inside the box. This is a standard 18 watt fast charger, but this phone also supports 27 watt fast charging, and if you want to buy that charger, you'll have to buy it separately, and I'll make sure to drop a link to that in the description box below. But it is good to see that Xiaomi is providing an 18 watt charger inside the box. Apart from that, you also get the standard USB to USB Type-C cable which is used for charging and data transfer. So those were the contents of the box. Now let me go ahead and quickly set up the device. So the device has been set up, and as always, first up I would like to go ahead and check the Android version. So going into settings, about phone, you can see that this phone comes with Android 9 Pie, which is a good thing. So now let's go ahead and see what this phone has to offer, and is it potentially the flagship killer. So the Redmi K20 Pro comes with a 6.39 inches display. It is AMOLED with a resolution of Full HD+. I absolutely love the display on this thing because it does not have any notch. So it is an edge-to-edge display, and the viewing experience on this display is excellent. As soon as you pick it out of the box, you are going to notice that the display is very good. It is also protected by Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and the back, which is a good thing because you will get that extra protection. The maximum brightness on the display is 600 nits, which is also good enough to use it in outdoors condition. Now let's talk about what lies under the hood. So this phone comes with a Snapdragon 855 processor, which is the latest by Qualcomm, and it will give you some insane performance. With that, you also have the Adreno 640 GPU. This phone has a couple of variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and the other one with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. So when it comes to the specifications, this phone is a beast and Xiaomi has not compromised over here. The only thing missing, I would say, is that this phone comes with UFS 2.1 storage and not the latest UFS 3.0 storage that you get on the OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro. But that is just me nitpicking. When it comes to performance, this phone is gonna be awesome. As far as the cameras go, on the rear side you get a triple camera setup. So the main one is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 sensor with an aperture of f1.75. The second camera is a 13 megapixel super wide angle lens with a 124.8 degree field of view. And the last camera is an 8 megapixel telephoto lens with an aperture of f2.4. So all these cameras are useful. None of the camera is a depth sensor, which is a good thing. And I personally am really excited to test the camera out. I will have to test the camera out and then give my full review. That's why please stay tuned and hit the subscribe button while you're at it. Now when it comes to the front camera, it is a pop-up selfie camera with a 20 megapixel sensor. So yeah, this is a pop-up selfie camera. That means there are moving parts in this phone, but Xiaomi has assured that this is durable for at least 300,000 times, which is awesome. Now when it comes to the battery, this phone comes with a 4000 mAh battery, and that has become like the standard with Xiaomi. So if you get anything less than that, you are kind of disappointed, but that's not the case with this phone. So overall, the Redmi K20 Pro is a really good device for the price of rupees 28,000. Some people were angry that the pricing is on the higher side, but I do not agree with that. The only problem that Xiaomi had this time was that they created a very big hype and they did not deliver. So they should have kept the hype a little lesser, and then this phone would be received in a better way. But anyway, that is not going to change my review by any means. So please stay tuned for the full review, the camera review, the Google camera videos, and all those things. I will be making them really soon. So anyway, that's been it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this video helped you out in some way or the other. And if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. Also, if you haven't yet, please subscribe below because it would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one.